The biggest problem I'm having with my party leader is because I do not see his path to power. And I believe that this is a time ODM should get to power. I do not see his path to power. Forget all the propaganda, kwa sababu hiyo yote ni propaganda. For my party leader to climb Mount Kenya is a tall order. In 2 election cycles, he has been an enemy. 2 election cycles, he has been an enemy. In the last election, I was here. I'm not an enemy. The person who is trying to lift him up the mountain is the head of Jubilee. And the head of Jubilee, hata huku, he can only have meetings in closed door. Let him have kiwanja. Utaona, ako na shida. People don't want to hear him. Jubilee did not win. I think even the other day you saw people saying kweli waliiba kura. We caught them, and it's not going to be easy to do it again. And that is the greatness of our democracy. Now, my friend does not have those partnerships of 2017. He does not have them. He does not have them around him. And I can tell you, kwa sababu we are the ones who know how this path of power is, how it is done. Tumekuwa hapo. In the kitchen we have been there. I can assure you, the way it is going, hakuna mahali anaenda. And this is the problem. I find that especially the great people who have supported ODM all these years risk one very major thing coming ahead: to be ostracized again for another 10 years in charting the new dispensation of economic revolution.